You have no tickets. What's your plan for today?
I'm going to just walk around now, find somewhere nice to settle down and have a few beers and watch the game.
How do you feel about the game tonight?
I feel confident enough tonight now. We have a good, strong team. Obviously, we're missing Cullen. It makes a big difference. But please God, we'll do well.
You don't have any tickets.
No.
Do you feel like you're missing out?
Absolutely not. No, even look at the queues here now. I don't think we've missed much by not going to the game. Obviously, it'd be great to go to the game, better to have a ticket, but no, I think we'll make the most of it.
How do you think it's going to go?
I actually fancy us, yeah, I'm quietly confident, yeah, without being overconfident. Us Irish always have great hopes, but I think we'll do the business.
These two here, they have tickets,
Tickets,
yeah. Are we talking to them?
That's
No.
my dad.
Somebody's well in.
You wouldn't give your own son a ticket?
No way! What? No, why not? Because he wants to enjoy the crack, I want to enjoy the football.
Are you delighted to have the ticket?
Delighted, over the moon. This fella pulled out all the stops for the last 2 months. Phone calls, and he delivered. Delighted.
How are you feeling about the game? How do you think it's going to go?
Quietly confident. I reckon, as my son just said, you know, when we're up against it, that's when we do the business. So I'm quietly confident.
I've yet to find an Irish fan who doesn't think we're going to do it tonight. Are you any different?
No, I definitely think we're going to do it. I think we're going to 2-1 close match and roll on next Tuesday. There'll be some atmosphere in Dublin if we get through.
You put the hard yards in to get a ticket, did you?
Hard yards. Lots of phone calls, lots of connections, but got them yesterday at the last minute, so yeah, delighted.
In the right end of the ground?
Yes, I think so. I think we are, yeah. Hopefully, but I'm sure, I think the Czech people will embrace the Irish people anyway, so there should be no issues anyway, so.
Where are you watching the match today?
In here, hopefully. Well,
we hope to get in.
Yeah, we might have lost our spot in the queue now. But
Where have you come from to get to here?
Beaufort and Kerry. Took us about a day to get here, I'd say. We're travelling into Edinburgh, so.
Where did you come through?
Edinburgh. About 5 hours in Edinburgh, so.
Has it been worth the journey?
Oh, yeah. We're only getting started.
I don't want to sound like your mother here, but you're looking a bit tired already.
I know, we were in the bed nice and early last night.
The third wind is coming in now.
Yeah.
Will you make it through the rest of the day?
Yeah, no, we're going to get the third win now, we're hoping for, so that'll keep us going.
How are you feeling about tonight's game? How do you think it's going to go?
I'd say a win. We're in great form. Everyone's looking forward to it. I'd say a win.
For all those looking at you jealously back home, what's it like to be here?
It is the best. Yeah. You had to go. Everyone had to go. Like we all said, if we win that game in Hungary, we had to go. Like so, you can't miss it. Like, you couldn't miss it.
You're out like on about going like to the World Cups and all. Like you had to go to this one as well. Like.
How old were you during our last World Cup?
I wasn't alive.
We didn't exist.
How old are you now?
20.
And do you think we can actually do it?
Oh, we can, of course. 2-0 win. I'm tri-powered in the 82nd minute and the 16th minute. I'm calling out. I have a 5 on Ladbrokes. It's going to come true.
Yeah, and I'm watching it here in the Dubliner, hopefully, if we can get in.
How are you feeling about the game?
I'm so excited. I can't wait. I think we're going to win. Yeah.
We flew over on Tuesday into Frankfurt, and then we drove up then over here. Then it took about 6 hours. So hopefully going to get in there now and watch the match, stay there all day.
Has it been worth the journey, that long journey?
Absolutely. The crack is brilliant. We absolutely love it. Yeah.
There's a long way to go between now and kick-off. It's like 6-7 hours away, and you're going in there now to watch the match. Will you be okay?
Oh, we'll be fine. We're Irish.
Where are you going to watch the game today?
The stadium.
You have tickets?
Yeah.
How'd you manage that?
I just managed to get them, yeah. Season ticket holder. Auntie's the season ticket holder. She managed to get them.
How does it feel to be here?
Class. That's the only way to describe it. Unbelievable.
How do you think it's going to go?
I'd say we're going to beat Czech Republic 2-1. Parrot's going to score both.
And if we go on, will you go to the World Cup?
I don't think the credit union will allow me to.